What's wrong with that? What?
Okay, first oil change for the 2020 CFMOTO UFORCE 800.
God, looks like you lost coating.
So you gotta take the windshield off and put the seats up.
Don't thrust like that. You won't do it.
And right there is a dipstick, and the filter's inside that case. We'll show it to you.
They make their stuff.
Here's the cover piece you take off to get to that. I forgot to show you that.
Oh man. What's going on? We're changing the oil.
Is it hard to get to?
I knew I was going to smash my knuckle. No, it's just so tight. Oh, yeah, you were getting dark. You know it?
Huh?
You were getting a little dark. Not dirt. It's not dirty.
Is there any shavings in there?
You have 3 8mm bolts that you take out right over on the filter housing here. And then your paper filter will slide right out. Look at that. Ollie, go get the ball. It's down there, buddy. You can. We just changed the oil in this.
Okay, the last thing I wanted to show you is I greased all the fittings. There's one there, down there, another one here somewhere. I forget where it's at now. But I went around, got all of them. At least the ones I could see. So we started up, ran a little bit, checked the oil. Perfect. It takes 3.4 liters if you're changing the oil and a filter on UFORCE 800. So hopefully this helps. When you guys decide you want to change your oil, if you can do it yourself, do it. It's maybe a 45-minute job. Thanks for watching.